Good day, viewers. We're thrilled to bring you another informative video. The Canadian company Dot Technology has developed an autonomous agricultural platform that does not attach variable agricultural equipment to the rear or front, but integrates it into its body. This saves over 20% on fuel, labor, and equipment costs. Carbon dioxide emissions are also reduced by 20%. The new Kuhn SW Bale Wrapper is a state-of-the-art machine designed for wrapping round bales. It features an advanced control system and user-friendly interface that allows for easy operation and customization of wrapping parameters. The machine is equipped with a durable wrapping arm and stretch film dispenser, which work together to provide a tightly wrapped bale that's protected from external factors such as weather and moisture. This monster machine can dig trenches in seconds. They're made by a company called Nextrencher. They can dig holes up to 5.5 meters deep and 1.5 meters wide. The trenching machine is used to lay down water pipes and fiber optic cable. Vermeer has developed a self-propelled round baler. It features a cab positioned above the suspended front axle for a smoother ride, and the zero-radius turning technique is borrowed from lawnmowers. The cab provides the operator with an unobstructed view of the swath, not of the pickup, which is covered by the camera. Digging the soil with a tractor is a common practice in agriculture for various purposes, such as planting, plowing, harvesting, and landscaping. The tractor is equipped with a suitable attachment, such as a plow, cultivator, or harrow, depending on the desired outcome. The attachment is connected to the tractor's hydraulic system, which powers the attachment and allows for adjustment of the depth and angle of the blade. The Nexat is a tractor with interchangeable structures, designed in Germany. This is a universal combine that replaces all agricultural machinery. He can plow, sow, fertilize, and harvest. The Nexat system tractor is designed as an autonomous machine and is equipped with an environmental monitoring system. Process control is carried out from a rotating cabin. This creates the basis for a fully automated operation of the machine and allows the vehicle to be operated manually only during transport. With their precision and speed, modern tillage cultivators have revolutionized farming practices and made it possible to achieve higher yields with less labor. These machines use advanced technology and are designed to work in a variety of soil conditions, from hard clay to loose sand. They're highly versatile and can be adjusted to different widths and depths to suit specific crops and soil types. The John Deere Walking Tractor prototype is a practical machine designed for forest workers to navigate rough mountain terrain in snow and mud. It features 6 articulated legs, allowing it to move forward and backward, sideways and diagonally, and even turn in place and step over obstacles. Additionally, the machine is equipped with an intelligent computer system that controls all walking functions, including direction, speed, step height and gait, and ground clearance. Chain trenchers are used in a variety of applications, including laying pipelines, installing underground utilities, and digging drainage ditches. They are capable of excavating trenches of various depths and widths, depending on the specific requirements of the project. The Berkey Waterway Cleaning Machine is a modern equipment designed for cleaning water bodies. It comes with specialized tools that can remove various types of pollutants, including debris, leaves, branches, and algae from the water surface and the bottom of the water body. Pollution of water bodies and plastic and other debris is a serious problem today. Such machines help to improve the situation. Agbot II is a robot that decides for itself how best to deal with weeds. It's equipped with advanced technologies such as GPS navigation, sensors, computer vision systems, and many others, allowing it to operate in a precise and efficient manner. If the robot comes across herbicide-resistant weeds, it can get rid of them either with a mechanical arm or a miniature burner. This is a Turtle weeding bot. Turtle controls weeds all season long with scrubbing wheels and a string trimmer. This robot is very easy to use. Just place it in the garden and press a button, and Turtle will take care of the weeds. Modern technologies are transforming agricultural work, making it easier and more enjoyable than ever. Drones have become an increasingly popular tool in modern agriculture due to their ability to provide farmers with a bird's-eye view of their crops. In addition, drones can be equipped with precision spraying technology, allowing for targeted and efficient application of pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. This not only reduces the amount of chemicals needed, but also minimizes the environmental impact of agriculture. Landpack created a tractor with a huge rotating shaft attached to the rear, weighing from 8 to 12 tons, used to compact the earth. The rotating shaft attached to the rear of the Landpack tractor is known as a sheep's foot roller or a pad foot roller. It's made up of a series of cylindrical or rectangular pads that create a kneading effect on the soil, helping to compact it evenly and efficiently. Italian company Prinoth unveiled the world's first hydrogen-powered snow groomer alongside the lightest electric snow groomer on the market. The hydrogen-powered snow groomer uses fuel cells to convert hydrogen and oxygen into electricity, which then powers the vehicle's electric motors. The vehicle produces zero emissions, with the only byproduct being water vapor. The Breilmeyer Type 29 is a specialized mower designed for cutting grass and other vegetation in difficult and hard-to-reach areas. This powerful machine is built to handle tough terrain and extreme conditions, making it an ideal tool for a variety of agricultural and commercial applications. It features a sturdy steel frame and powerful engine that provide ample power and durability for cutting even the toughest vegetation. This machine is commonly used in the production of grass for sports fields, golf courses, and landscaping. This machine is also able to harvest the turf with minimal damage, ensuring that it remains in good condition for transport and use. The harvested turf is transported by conveyor belt to a storage area or processing facility.